Good morning. It is an overcast day. It might rain. It's not calling for rain, but you never know here. When it's hot, it could rain anytime. But I figured, you know what, I've never been to the 99 ramp at Monticello, so I figured it's a good day probably to take Rue out. So Rufus is with me. Rufus, you going boating? You gonna be a boating dog? Yeah? Okay, so Rufus is with me, and we're gonna go and explore the island, I think, out there, and just kind of meander around. But I've never been to that ramp, so we'll see. I'll be checking in. Here we are at the 99 ramp. It looks like a really good ramp. It's real easy to get in. It's not real long, so it's not going to be a hassle to get the boat in. I'll be able to pull the boat right over on this side and leave it there until I'm ready. The wind's kicking up a little bit, but it's a super nice day. Rufus is with me. There's plenty of places to park up there. There is a men's, ladies' room over there. So, and Rufus is crying. He's a big crybaby. He's a big crier. Anyway, so this is pretty nice here. A lot of people are camping still, I guess, because of Labor Day. What do you say, Rue? What do you say? He's ready to do this thing. So we're gonna back it up, put it in the water, and then park the car and go from there. So we'll be checking back. Okay, so we're on the water, which is awesome, and we had a boater come in, flying in, which is unusual for Monticello, because normally they don't go very fast in Monticello, but he caused a pretty big wake. I had to wait for that to pass to get the boat out. So I don't know what that was all about, but anyhow, we are, Rue and I are on the water. We're heading toward the island, and we're probably gonna get off and kind of explore the island a little bit. We've never been there. Rufus, what do you think? Rue, what do you think? Huh? You boating? He's boating. He's always happy when he's boating. So, anyway, I'll check back later. Well, here we are, pretty much all to ourselves. I think we got the island to ourselves. I went around the other side. There's like a huge rock. Like I saw it cut the engine because I was afraid that I'd tear the engine out. I mean, it was huge, and I went right over it. I stopped the engine before I actually hit it, but uh, I know there's not going to be any big boats over on that side because the rock. But I got partially around, and I didn't see any boats here. So Rufus is kind of like exploring. We're gonna go up on the island a little bit and walk around, and but it's super nice and peaceful, and there's just nobody out. There's nobody here, which is super nice. We found like a nice little calm cove because it's a little bit rough out there. The wind's kind of kicking up, but over on this side it's really calm. It's really pretty though. Come on, Ru. Go get the boat. Come on. Come on, we'll bring the boat over, okay? Come on. Come on over this way. Come on over this way. Come on. You get through? There you go, big boy. All right, come on. Come on, we'll get the boat. We'll bring it around. This way. This way. Good boy. There you go. Wanna come out here? Come on. Rufus. Those are some noisy birds over there. You think they're ducks? I don't know what they are. They're squawking. Rufus and I stopped on the island. We had a little picnic for Rufus. I didn't eat. But it was really peaceful. There was no one out, no one around. I did see some activity on the radar that's coming in. There looks like there's might be a rain shower coming in. So I kind of wanted to get back to the shoreline before that happened. So we're heading back. But it's really beautiful out. It's not that hot. I mean, it's hot, but it's not that hot. So it was a good day. It was a really nice day. So we're heading in. Okay, we're back in the car. We got everything packed up, ready to go. Rufus is exhausted, I think. He's probably gonna nap the whole way home. It was nice. There's a couple people camping and stuff. The water was just a little bit rough today. I think there's some storms brewing around. So I just wanted to, I didn't want to take a chance. I was like, you know what, let's get out of here. If I were by myself, it would be different, but I have Rufus, so I don't really take any chances with him. Anyway, we stopped. We came to the 99 ramp on Monticello. We scooty boated out to the island, and I threw down a blanket, and we kind of chilled out there for, I don't even know how long we were out there. Explored the island just a little bit, and Rufus had a blast. And then we came back as soon as I knew there might be some rain in the forecast. So anyway, it was a good day. We had a good time. Right, Ro? He's exhausted.